Hi folks, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily. I am a registered nurse and a yoga teacher, and today we are going to do a 10-minute workout on this amazing little trampoline. It's going to be beginner friendly, and we're going to get started in just a moment. But before we do, I just want to talk a little bit about my mini trampoline. So what I have been using for about a year now is the Becan foldable 40-inch mini trampoline. It is put out by Fed Fitness, and I cannot say enough good things about this trampoline. I've tried other ones in the past, and I just didn't feel as safe on them as I do with this one. This one is super versatile. One of the best features I like about it is it has these bungee cables that are really strong. This thing is weighted for up to like 550 pounds. So these bungee cables are safe, strong, and it's not like those old spring ones that you see on the older trampolines. Yeah, like I said, I've been using this for about a year and I absolutely love it. I use it to incorporate into my fitness workouts, including right now I'm training for a 5K, and sometimes instead of running outside, I'll do a run on this guy and I get a killer workout. So right now Becan is offering a huge Black Friday sale. It's up to 39% off of these. They're reasonably priced in the first place. To get that discount, it's going to be a massive discount. And the sale is running November 20th through December 3rd of 2025. If you want to learn more, check out the links below. And without further ado, let's get right into this workout. All right, my friends, so this is going to be a beginner-friendly workout. We're going to start with some basic moves. Let's start with a little walk in place. Just find a comfortable place on your mat here, and we're just going to walk here. Maybe pump the arms. You might see Charlie here down at the bottom of the screen. He's my rescue dog. He loves to come to all of these workouts, so we'll see if he makes a cameo. All right, so just have some fun. Maybe loosen things up, shake out the arms, maybe shift the head side to side. I love trampolining, rebounding, whatever you want to call it. To me, it is just one of the most fun ways to stay fit and active, and I totally see a difference in these workouts. So I kind of briefly mentioned earlier, I'm training for a 5K, and currently I'm doing an interval training. So I'll run for about a minute and walk for a recovery walk, usually about 2 minutes or so. So that's where I am in that journey. But this mini trampoline has been my best friend. It's getting really cold outside, so a lot of times I'll just work out right here. Nice job. Keep breathing in and breathing out. And then let's get into another move. So I'm just going to step off to one side, and we're just going to do a little side step, side to side here. We'll incorporate arm movements later, but for now, let's just focus on these foundational moves, side to side. Nice job. Check in. How's your body feeling today? How are you feeling upstairs mentally? Check in. I don't think you can do this workout without smiling. At least I can't. You can try if you want to. Just have fun here. I really think it's important to enjoy the workout that you do, right? We're here, we're in the thick of it, right? Making it happen. So have fun along the way. 3, 2, and 1. Let's go back to the walk in place. If at any point you want to add a bounce instead of the walk, I'll show you what that looks like. So we'll keep the feet on the mat here, press the heels into the ground, then find a little bounce. That is always an option. I'm going to go back into the walk here. So great calorie burner here. I find that I can burn as many, if not more, calories on my trampoline than I can on a run outside. Really great way to stay active, healthy, and strong. You can't see it here, but I do have a little bar that I could install. It's very easy to do. You just kind of slip it onto the bottom of the post here, but you can install that bar and then have a safety bar built in. Here we are, 3, 2, and 1. Nice job. Give me a heel tap forward, tap and tap. Working on that balance. Have fun. Nice. And wow, next time you tap forward, reach both arms out. Nice job. Keep going here. Nice job. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, walk in place or find that little health bounce. Bounce it out. Put any spin on this workout you want to. If you want to dance or get a little bit more creative or a little bit more funky, feel free. Now's a great time for me to tell you about a free little resource I have for you. It's a 4-week health and fitness tracker. You can grab that on my website, emilydaugherty.com. And it's a great way for us to track our goals and stay active and motivated to really push ourselves forward in this health journey. We're here for 3, 2, and 1. Nice job. All right, next move, give me a toe tap. Tap and tap. So a modified jumping jack, maybe get the arms overhead, get a big reach here, take up all the space you can. Keep breathing, keep moving your body. Have some fun along the way. I tell my students all the time, find something that brings you joy when you stay active. So find an activity that you love, whether that be this, maybe it's walking, maybe it's dancing or bowling or pickleball. Find something that lights you up and you say, hey, that's what I want to do today. Have fun, move your body joyfully every single day. For 3, 2, 1, walk in place or find that little health bounce. Get those knees up, keep breathing. Nice job. Have some fun. Next move, try this. Take the feet kind of wide here. Nice job, find a little rhythm. Keep your feet planted as you do this. And then we're gonna give me a knee lift. So knee lift, knee lift. Maybe opposite hand taps opposite knee, involving the torso. So getting that core engaged. Belly button gently draws in towards the spine. We are well over halfway through this workout. You've got this. Together, we've got this. We're gonna cross that finish line together. You got it. Whew. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Walk in place. Bring the feet back together. Option for that little health bounce. If you ever get hung up, come back to this walk in place. That's why it's designed, right? Active recovery. So you can take a breather, grab a sip of water if you need it, but always come back here. Nice. Proud of you guys. So good. Maybe by now you're a lot more energized. Maybe get the feet up a little higher, pump the arms a little bit more. Just don't stop. Got about 3 minutes left. I'm really proud of you. You said yes to your health and wellness today. You said yes to self-care, and that is great motivation for you to stay active and strong and also inspire those around you, right? Maybe the folks in your household are joining in. They say, I want to get a trampoline too. I hope they do. It's so much fun. Give me some kicks next. So maybe you have your safety bar, maybe you have a wall close by, but we're just gonna kick out the legs. And then when one leg comes out, send both arms out in front. Nice job. Love to work on coordination and balance, and if that is your jam, this trampoline is one of the best ways I've found to really strengthen those muscles that help with balance. Nice job. I like to get on this trampoline, a couple minutes every day at least. It's good for metabolism, really great for the immune system, so helps bring more lymph circulation throughout the body. Good to help you, if you're warding off illness, right? It's that time of year, it's cold, everybody's got the crud, right? This is a good way to help boost your immune system. 3, 2, 1, walk it out or bounce it out. Got about 1.5 minutes left, give or take. Keep with me. Stick around to the end. Say, yes, I can. Yes, you can. You were made to do hard things. And have fun along the way. Take the feet wide. Keep bouncing. Nice. What's that do to those backside muscles? I call them the muscles of independence. They help us get up and down from a chair easily. Also get up and down from the floor easily. We want these backside muscles to be strong all stages of life. Nice job. With the feet wide, give me a kick back. Kick and kick. Oh yeah. Maybe get those arms overhead. Pull down. Pull down. I love these. One of my favorite moves. Full body move here. Coming up on about 30 more seconds. Don't quit now. We're in it to win it. I'm sending virtual high fives out to all of you. Said yes. For 3, 2, 1, walk or bounce. We're gonna finish up right here. Yes, nice job. See how fast that goes? These workouts go by so quickly. I hope you had a good time. I sure did. Can't think of a more fun way to work out together. We're here for 3, 2, and 1. Nice job. Huge round of applause. I am so proud of you. Of course, we do not skip this cool down. So take your time to ground your feet here. Maybe catch your breath and then take an angel breath. Sweep the arms overhead. Inhale. And exhale, let it go. Give me 2 more times. Inhale, reach tall, high up and overhead. Maybe you look up. And exhale, let it go. Last time, inhale, lots of love in. And lots of love out. Really great job. Send one hand down to the side. We'll take the other one overhead. Inhale. And exhale, side body stretch. Looking up or down, somewhere in the middle. Pull that elbow back if you can to keep the spine long. Let that heart rate come down naturally, your breath rate coming down. Send that hand down, and then other side, we'll inhale, reach high. Exhale to fold, side body stretch. Listen to your body today. Take good care of yourself. I want you to stay hydrated throughout the day and through tomorrow. Release that hand down. Let's sweep the hands behind the back, interlace the fingers, pull the elbows down, maybe you look up, breathe. Sweet, release that, and then just finish out with a little arm swing here. Loosen up the shoulders, the back muscles, upper body. 3, 2, and 1. Nice job. If you need more of a cool down stretch, I will leave a link for another post-workout above here somewhere. And then, yeah, definitely grab your 4-week health and fitness tracker. That's going to help you stay on track of your health and wellness journey. And check out the links for this Fed Fitness Beacon mini trampoline, 39% off here for a Black Friday sale. So check it out. And I really look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take good care. See you then. Bye.